morning to one and all. Today, we the students of class 11E are going to present a special assembly on the topic equal wages for equal work.
Equal pay for equal work is a concept of labor rights which states that every individual working at the same workplace should be given equal pay.
All labor that uplifts humanity has dignity and importance and should be taken up with painstaking excellence.
You! Look at their hands! They're so filthy!
Their clothes are so dirty.
Students, you shouldn't talk like that about labor. They are the same as you and they have the same rights as you. So treat them with equal dignity and respect.
Even though we have same rights, that doesn't mean we have same status, huh?
They are not obliged to come to work here, and even though they are paid less, they work as hard as anyone.
Yes, we have realized our mistake and we will not repeat it again.
No job, but so many responsibilities. How am I supposed to take care of my family like this? I guess I have to ask for a loan from Seth tomorrow.
Next morning, Ram went to Seth to ask for a loan.
Namaste, Seth ji.
Namaste. Why do you look so worried?
I don't have enough money to take care of my family. I have no job, no land, and a joint family to take care of. I don't have a single penny, and my family is starving.
I totally understand your problem and I'm ready to help you. I will give you a loan of rupees 10,000 and with a 22% of rate of interest, and then you need to return the money within a year. And also you need to work in my farm for this season.
Thank you for your help. I'm willing to work on your land. But how much will you pay me?
Even I will pay you 2,500 a month.
I'll surely come to work from tomorrow onwards.
By the end of the year, Ram was unable to pay his loan. As a result, he was stuck in a debt trap and was forced to work for low wages on Seth's land for the next upcoming years.
Ram continued to work for Seth for a year but was unaware about the fact that his pay was unfair and was below the minimum wage act as per the government guidelines.
In a country like India, these situations are very common. Due to less awareness about laws and illiteracy among laborers, farmers' exploitation has become very common and frequent in India.
The minimum wage law, which was passed in 1948, clearly stated that the minimum wage is rupees 160 per day.
Defined as the level of income for skilled and unskilled laborers, which ensures the sustaining standard of life and also provides some measure of comfort.
Nikhil and Avantika are two college friends who have been offered the same job at a company as contract employees. Their contract states that the work is same but the pay is not equal. Nikhil is offered more than Avantika.
Hey Nikhil, did you read the contract?
Yes, I did. I got the project for Assam Tea Farms Private Limited. Which one did you get?
Oh great, even I got the same project. But don't you think that the salary is less for the efforts we make in this project?
No, I'm okay with the salary. What about you? How much will you get?
Sure. That's strange.
What's the matter?
My salary is less than yours.
Is it so shocking? Because in developing countries like India, these situations are a common occurrence.
When comparing the median salary between men and women, a 2021 report from PayScale reports that women earn 82 cents for every dollar men make. This 18% difference is the raw gender pay gap.
Equal Remuneration Act 1976 is an act to provide for the payment of equal remuneration to men and women workers and to prevent discrimination on the basis of sex against women in the matters of employment and in the matters of connected therewith or incidental thereto.
In this situation or scenes, we have highlighted some of the major issues of equal pay for equal work, but the disparity is not limited within these scenes.
The phrase equal pay for equal work means that every individual who has been employed for the work which is allotted to him or her should be given sufficient compensation with respect to others.
Equal equal pay is governed under the Equality Act of 2010, which gives a right to equal pay between men and women for the same work.
However, the awareness about such laws in India is less due to high financial and legal illiteracy among the citizens.
So campaigns should be organized to increase awareness about such laws and to reduce exploitation to make sure workers work in a fair and empowered environment.
Equal pay is fair to pay. Let's raise our voice against inequality.
And stand for equal pay for all.